7,000 or carry 77?
Copy I-77 clear for an approach runway 14, QNH 1018.
Clear on approach 1018, Ethiopian A77. Last one. Last one. Last one, three. Last five. Last five. Engine start switch.
7,000, we still have 48 miles to run to
Stop. Checklist complete.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Line and reverse. Speed brake up, reversers normal. I have control.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've just landed at Lilongwe, Malawi. The local time is midday. For safety reasons, we strongly urge all passengers to remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off. Please be careful when opening the overhead lockers as the baggage may have shifted during landing. When leaving the aircraft, please check that you're not leaving any of your personal belongings behind. On behalf of Ethiopian Airlines, a proud member of Star Alliance, Captain Amma and the rest of my colleagues would like to say goodbye to all our passengers, Shivamers and Star Alliance Gold members who will disembark at this station. We wish you a pleasant stay in Lilongwe or your respective destinations and look forward to serving you on one of Ethiopian flights again. Our ground time here will be approximately an hour. Thank you.
This is Lilongwe. 45 minutes up to 1 hour here.
Wind at 320 degrees at 6, temperature 53, altimeter 3.